Hi guys, welcome back to Shopaholic Adventures. And how are you guys doing? If you guys know me any better, you guys know I love neon. I love neon, and I have like a lot of dresses. I have ethnics in neon. I have eye makeup, I have hair accessories, I have heels in neon. So my obsession with neon is like you can't even think. So I love neon, and I thought of doing this really cool look with neon. So very simple look, and it just adds the pop of neon in your makeup and makes you look really nice. So check out this video to learn this super easy neon eye makeup. It's not too over the board, but it is still a little experimentative, and it's really cool, looks nice, and adds a sudden pop of the color. So hope you like this video, and do check it out and subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to stay updated always. So to create this look, I'm using Makeup Revolution's Neon Eye Palette because they have beautiful neon shades and the pigmentation is really nice. So I'll start by using a little bit of color in my inner corners of the eye, like you guys can see, and also a little on the outer edges of my eyes as well. Now if you can see, the pigmentation doesn't come out so well, so either you can use a concealer before adding your eyeshadow, or you can wet your brush and use the color so that the color is little brighter and looks more bright and catchy. So you guys can see I wet my brush with the makeup setting spray, or you can use a rose water as well. And in case if you do make a mistake, you can always use your concealer to amend it. What I have done is to clean the edges, I have used my concealer so that it gives a more defined and a more perfect look, like you guys can see. So once the base is done, I've cleaned the extra spill off because it's a powder eyeshadow, and thereafter whatever spilled part was left, I've cleaned it with the concealer. And then I have used my favorite eyeliner, which is Maybelline's eyeliner, because it stays long and is very easy to use. I love the way it looks. And I'll be going for a wing, and you guys can see the elongated corners of the neon eyeshadow. I'm just going to make the eyeliner wing in the same direction as the neon eyeshadow. And also I'll go for a fox eyeliner again because it makes your eyes look really long and beautiful. And if you don't know what is a fox eyeliner, a fox eyeliner is the elongated inner corner eyeliner which I makes my eyes look long and beautiful. So now you guys can see the eyeliner is done, the eyeshadow is done, and now we are going to the kajal. You can use the kajal of your choice. I am using Kay Beauty's kajal because it lasts long and I like it. It doesn't cause me itchiness or it doesn't sting my eyes. And I am also going to add a little neon below my kajal as well, and of course define my eyebrows, shape them, and our eyes are done. It's time to add lashes because no look is complete without lashes. So you guys can see the eyes are done. Now for face makeup, I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to go for a no foundation look. I'm going to only use a concealer, that too on the edges of my lips, and of course you've seen it, I've already used it under my eyes to clean the residue. And then I'm going to use a blush because we're keeping the entire focus on the eyes and not on the face. So of course I'll use a light blush, also a little on my nose to add a little sheen of color. And then the highlighter is obviously going to be there because it's a very dramatic look. The eyes are dramatic, but the entire face we are keeping it very simple. So yeah, but if you do feel the need to use a foundation, you can do it. You can always make the changes to the makeup according to your comfort and like. Now for lipstick, I want a glossy reddish tint, and for that I'm going to use red lipstick, but I'm going to wipe it off with the tissue so that it just leaves the light reddish tint on my lips and make them look more fuller and more healthy. So you guys can see the lipstick tint is there, and the lightish reddish kind of a tint is there, and it looks really nice. And it also doesn't take away the focus from my eyes to my lips. And I am doing my favorite hairdo now. I've been asked a lot about this hairdo on my Instagram, so it's very easy. I take a strand of hair, I put it in a ponytail and then open it like a fountain, and they take another strand of hair and tie it around the rubber band, and voila, the hairdo is done. And just take out 2 strands from front which are really short and don't go inside the ponytail, and the look is done. So if you do recreate this look, do tag us on Instagram. Our Insta handle is Shopaholic Adventures, and do follow us on Instagram, and do let us know what you think about this look. Hope you love the look. It's really easy, isn't it? Didn't I say so? So if you like the look and you find this useful, do subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share the video, and press the bell button so that every time we upload a new video, you guys get an instant update.